Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to clear downloads on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear downloads on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just above help and feedback. And when you land over here, guys, you can see the fifth option that says downloads and storage just below the data saving. Tap on downloads and storage, and over here, guys, you can see at the end of the list here is the clear downloads option available for us. Now in order to clear all of your downloads on YouTube Music app, tap on clear downloads, and when this box appears, tap on the remove button again, and all of your downloads on your YouTube Music app will be removed and cleared out. And with that being said, guys, this is how to clear downloads on your YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.